Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing very well and staying safe wherever you are. So friends, today I'll be sharing a lot of stuff. Yesterday I had a little headache. I'll be sharing how I uh, helped myself to get my headache gone, and I didn't have to take any painkiller. So I was very happy that massage really helps, and those tricks and tips already work for me. That's why I like to share all this over here with you all. And then I'll share more things, that how I cleaned my refrigerator, how you should get a clean, a nice stainless steel effect on your refrigerator. So I'll be sharing that, and I'll share a nice recipe with you. Let's come into my kitchen. So here I have bought Wenman stainless steel wipes. They say that it cleans up very well, and I have already used it in the past, and it really cleans so good. And I got this from Walmart.com. So here I'm taking out one wipe, wiping it. You just see the before and after pictures. I'll show you how it becomes. So here I'm wiping it, and I feel it's showing a very good difference. Just see this is the most dirtiest because all the water residue has built up. I'm trying to take it out and it's not coming. I think I need a knife. Yeah, here it has come out, and oh my goodness, it's so bad. Just focus here. It is so bad, but here we clean it. So here I'm so happy that the wipe cleaned out so much, and here was the residue. It's so yuck, and we never see all this, what and all are hidden. But I'm so happy, at least of here you can make out the difference, that it's getting up cleaned up so well. It's actually giving a very good fragrance, like citrus fragrance. It's very nice. We need to clean the whole fridge very well, because you don't want up to be clean and not down to be very dirty. So it's all getting clean today. I'm so happy. I'm getting tired also. So I'm so happy. You can see from top to bottom how clean it has become. I'm really very happy. And this is not a sponsored video. I like this wipe, so I bought it with my own money. Hello friends, today I just came up with a very good topic actually. Many people get headaches because of the climate change, and many people have other reasons to get headache. Either your kiddos are troubling you or something like that, and you go out and you don't have a proper sleep, and you get headache because of many reasons. So today I'll just be sharing how you can do your own head massage, and what are the factors of massaging your own head when you don't have anyone else around you. If you have a person with you, or if you have your parents with you, you can ask them to do a good head massage, and it will really be beneficial. So you have to just take some coconut oil. Here I'm just taking some coconut oil. Here is the oil. So I've just taken this, I've just put it, and here I'm massaging into the roots. You need a little oil. You can actually take mustard oil, whichever oil you use, and whichever oil you like. You can use mustard oil and amla oil, or Indian people might be knowing what is amla oil and all. So I'm just basically telling you, just take some coconut oil, and it's so easily available to get coconut oil. So I just took and I applied it. So here it is. So this is your fingers. You just take it take your fingers and just massage with broad fingers like this, and hold here like this near your temples and just massage. Just keep massaging near your temples, and mostly headaches are over here. So you just take this here, just massage here, and make sure that your tips are touching your fingers on your forehead. Just massage your temples, and then when you've done, just bend your head. People who don't have hairs, and especially for the guys, it's very easy. Just take here, just massage. Just massage. Just take like this and press also your head. It's so easy and nice, and it really gives good massage. And after it's done, take again little more oil, press it on your fingers, and just give a good 2-finger massage. So this is how. So your headache will really go. I'm also feeling a little headache today, so I just said, instead of only helping me, I thought I would help people who come on the YouTube and ask for help. So I thought I would help someone if somebody is having a very bad headache. Just massage. Massage. Press, put your pressure point like this. I hope you're getting it well. I have placed the camera so well. I hope you're getting, just press it like this. So you'll know, see, oil marks have come on my hand too. Just massage, press it, press it, press it. Do like this for 20 times. You'll feel that your headache is really gone down, and you feel so relaxed after doing this. And if you want, you can have a cup of coffee and a cup of chai with lots of ginger. Ginger will really help you getting that headache gone. So here I'm trying to make paneer masala the very simple way. So here I've taken oil, like 3 spoons of oil, and I'm just heating it up, and I'll chop some onions. So here I'm chopping 1 spoon of onion, and I put it just to saute. So here I'm chopping 3 pods of garlic. Here I'm adding some cumin seeds. Here I'm adding a pinch of black pepper. Here I'm adding some fenugreek seeds. So here I'm adding some traditional pasta sauce. Because I didn't have tomatoes, I'm using the tomato puree. Here I'm adding half a spoon of paprika powder, that is the red hot chili powder. I'm adding half a spoon of salt also. Here I'm adding a pinch of turmeric. So here I'm adding 1.5 cups of water so that it becomes nice liquidy and soupy. So here I have some cottage cheese, that is paneer. So I've washed this with warm water. So I'll just add this and put some cilantro and garnish it with cilantro, and we'll have it with rice. So here I'm adding some cilantro for garnishing. That's more than enough. So here I'll just keep it for 10 minutes to boil, and let it become more thicker and nice, and it's ready to serve. So here it's got all cooked, and it's looking so good with white cottage cheese which has turned yellow, and here's this one. Yummy, yummy, yummy cottage cheese, paneer, and nice soupy. And here it goes with fresh made rice. Enjoy. So here's the paneer pieces, here's the rice, here's the soup. Yum for the winter evening. So you all saw how easy and well and organizedly I had done everything, and I felt very good. And I don't know why the headache comes, because I think the weather keeps changing. Sometimes it's snowing, sometimes it doesn't snow, sometimes it becomes warm, and today there's so much of bright light that I'm letting the light to come into my house, and I want the house to look too bright, because we all know how much vitamin D is so necessary. And this vitamin D, sometimes I feel it's so precious that it is precious than gold, silver, and diamonds too. So I just love the vitamin C, and when we don't see sun, we get really lazy and lethargic, and then we say, oh, we are feeling drowsy, we have to sleep. So I just let all the sunshine come into my house, and it gives me a very good feeling, and I cheer up myself so much when I see the sunlight out. So if you have liked any part of my video, friends, like it, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Love you all.